Somebody told me they got troubles at home, 'cause we never talk a lot when we spend time alone. Hey, how am I supposed to know when something is wrong? See, we got a way to communicate that keeps the happy home. And no one does it like me, and no one but you has that kind of whip appeal on me. Keep whipping on me, hey, work it on me. Go whip all your sweet, sweet loving on me. Keep whipping on me. Oh, work it on me. And whip all your sweet, sweet loving on me.